A typical Sunday in Bavarian countryside. What kind of noise would probably wake you up? Maybe something like this.
Hello? Hello?
Or such a friendly face. Or maybe this kind of noise. So, typical breakfast, of course, butter breakfast. Then you wanna take your favorite vehicle, motorbike, bicycle, or maybe a different one, and explore awesome Bavarian countryside. For lunch, of course, beer garden. This is our new cloister beer garden in Markt Indersdorf. What else you can do? Visit regular events like so-called old-timer treffen, vintage vehicles, meetup. This happens actually very often and in different villages here in Bavaria. So check it out if you like this kind of events, or maybe visit some culture. For example, city of Poettmes is famous for its medieval market, or check out Schobenhausen. In this town, famous subsidiary of Airbus company, NBDA, is located, and they produce missiles, and it's German capital of asparagus. You can find a museum of asparagus and even a statue. And of course, again, beer garden. Almost in every village you can find one. So the one I'm showing you, Maria Brunn, please come and enjoy Bavarian countryside.